So the nice thing about Samsung phones is that when it comes to using split screen, you don't have to get fancy, meaning you don't have to change any settings or do anything crazy like that. The reason is because it's a built-in feature. And in order to split screen on the Z Flip 3, you just have to have some open tabs. Now, when you're looking at these open tabs, you simply click on the app icons and you're going to see an option that says split screen view and then tap it. Now, you're going to be given an option to add a second split screen. And for this example, I'm going to go with the Play Store and having YouTube open. Now, when you have split screen view up, you can change the size of the screen. You could also go in both portrait and landscape view. Now, I'm going to do another quick example. Just be aware that when you're split screening, it's not going to work with everything on your Z Flip 3. For example, some apps like games, and things like that aren't going to work in split screen view. However, if you're using this phone or just plan on getting a Z Flip phone, I'd recommend checking this feature out because it is useful. Also, if you're wondering what some of the best foldable phones in the market are right now, we've got a must-read article in the description I'd recommend you guys check out. As always, thanks for watching this, and we'll see y'all in the next video.